everyone, my name is Shanna Rifkin, FAMM's General Counsel. I want to tell you about three really important Supreme Court cases being argued on November 12th, 2025. United States versus Carter and Rutherford, and United States versus Fernandez. This is part one, the background. In part two, I'll break down what's happening in the cases themselves and what's at stake. In part three, I'll discuss what to look for after the oral argument. So grab a seat and let's do this together. At FAMM, we have spent years fighting for compassionate release. That means giving the judges the power to reduce sentences when there are extraordinary and compelling reasons to do so. After the First Step Act passed in 2018 and changed some mandatory minimum sentences, many people in federal prison were serving much longer than they would get today for the exact same crime. Some judges said, hey, wait a second, that's really unfair. This huge difference in sentencing counts as a reason to reduce this person's sentence. But other judges disagreed. Those judicial disagreements created a circuit split, and in 2021, those cases made their way to the Supreme Court. But the Supreme Court was not ready to review those cases. Meanwhile, the United States Sentencing Commission stepped in and set a clear rule. The commission created a new provision saying that if someone has served at least 10 years of their federal sentence and their sentence is significantly longer than what they would receive if they were sentenced today, a judge can consider that as a reason to lower their sentence, along with other personal individualized factors. In simple terms, long, outdated sentences should not automatically keep people in prison forever. This new rule created by the commission is now being challenged. This time, the Supreme Court will decide if the unusually long sentences provision can stay in place. What the court decides will affect people across the entire country. Tune in for part two so we can talk about what's at stake for people in federal prison and their loved ones.